With Salesforce Service Cloud, you can deliver a complete view of the customer and save your employees time with intelligent productivity tools. Since it's built on the Salesforce platform, you can bring in all your customer data from any department or back-end system and easily drag and drop to change the layout, so your agents have the right view to help consumers or businesses in any industry. Cases from any channel like messaging, chat, and social are automatically routed to the agent with the right skill set and availability. Agents have all the productivity tools they need in one place, with a complete view of the customer. Einstein makes intelligent recommendations using machine learning, so agents can classify cases faster, reducing manual tasks. Give agents a list of actions and guidance for any business process, walking them through the steps to complete the action, delivering a seamless experience for agents and customers. Agents can use macros to automate repetitive tasks in a single click, which makes them happy. Centralize your organization's knowledge so agents can find answers fast with intelligently suggested articles, and give agents the context of a customer's activities within your self-service portal so they can be more proactive when talking to customers. Managers have a bird's-eye view of contact center activity and pre-built reports and dashboards to improve contact center performance, reducing costs while keeping customer satisfaction on the rise. Visit Trailhead to get started and see how to create a connected customer view and give your agents the tools they need with the world's #1 service platform. Blaze your trail with Salesforce.